Imagine a world where humanoid robots walk among us, performing dangerous tasks that once risked human lives. This seemingly futuristic scenario is inching closer to our present reality, thanks to tech giant Microsoft's recent venture into humanoid robotics. Microsoft has set its sights on the robotics industry, partnering with Sanctuary AI, a trailblazing startup known for its humanoid robot, Phoenix. This collaboration aims to build general-purpose humanoid robots, leveraging large behavior models, or LBMs, to help these robots learn from real-world experiences. Sanctuary AI contributes its technical expertise to the table, already having deployed Phoenix in various industries. Meanwhile, Microsoft brings to the fold its powerful Azure cloud resources, a testament to its commitment to artificial intelligence development, particularly in the realm of robotics. But Microsoft's venture into humanoid robotics doesn't stop there. The tech titan has also shown interest in Figure AI, a humanoid robotics startup aiming to deploy autonomous humanoid workers globally. Talks of injecting up to $500 million into Figure AI have been reported, potentially valuing the startup at a staggering $1.9 billion. The rise of humanoid robots is no longer a mere concept of science fiction, with industry predictions estimating the robotics industry to be worth a whopping $3 trillion by 2050. As Microsoft aligns itself with this trend, it not only signals the tech giant's strategic move into the promising robotics industry, but also indicates the profound changes we can expect in various sectors, from manufacturing and logistics to retail. In conclusion, Microsoft's venture into humanoid robotics showcases the company's forward-thinking approach and commitment to leveraging artificial intelligence for practical real-world applications. As we step into an era where robots walk among us, Microsoft is leading the charge, transforming the way we work, live, and interact with technology. The future of humanoid robotics is here, and it's more exciting than ever.